In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to balance your responsive web page layout using blank space in Hazel Pro. First, decide where you want to add spacing. In this example, we're going to add some extra space above the Order Now button to give the layout a cleaner, more balanced look. Next, click the plus button at the top left corner of the section. From the menu, choose Blank Space. Hazel Pro will insert a spacing block right into your layout. Right-click the new blank space object to move it exactly where you want it. This gives you precise control over spacing in responsive designs. Once your spacing looks right, head over to Preview to see how the page will look once it's published. This is the best way to confirm that your layout feels balanced across different screen sizes. And that's it, a simple way to improve your layout using blank space in Hazel Pro. Thanks for watching, and check out the other videos on this channel for more web design tutorials.